I think I have everything. So let's go. I am so excited. I'm gonna have to pump it up and walk it down here. That's okay. It's beautiful. I made it out to the water. It's kind of windy though, so I'm trying to paddle over there to get my phone hooked up on my tripod. So this is usually a spot where I stop and have my snacks, but I am gonna go around over there. That's where I had them last time, and it was a really cool spot. So let's go. As I'm trying to figure out this phone situation, I keep spinning. I have my coffee. Hi, babies. Goodbye. Let's go find a cool spot to have our snacks. I feel like right here by this bench. I spilled some coffee on that landing. They are dates with peanut butter in it. They are my new joy of life. This and this. That's what I'm talking about. Cheers. You guys got to do this. Good morning.
So relaxing.
Isn't it? It's beautiful. The wind is literally pushing me at this point. Look at those clouds in the background. Gosh, it's beautiful. The trees. Baby, I know. Whoa, whoa. That was cray cray. It's gotta be my brightness on. I'm slowly reeling in. I'm putting off leaving, but I do have work I gotta do.